It's time for today's episode of Classical Music 101. I'm 90.9 WGUC's music director, Jessica Lorey. Today's question, what is Baroque? Baroque is an era in music and art history, roughly 1600 to 1750. The word Baroque means abnormal, bizarre, exaggerated, and originally was used in reference to irregularly shaped pearls. It later was used to describe ornate-style architecture from the 17th century. In art, we see Baroque defined by use of rich, deep color and intense light and dark shadows. Prior to this, Renaissance artists focused on depicting images before an action takes place, while Baroque artists show a scene during the action. In music, Baroque is characterized by a rebellion from the polyphony common in music during the Renaissance. Polyphonic music uses many voice parts, all of equal importance, while the monody that came during the Baroque era gave more importance to one voice part with a basso continuo accompaniment underneath. Much of the music from the period has contrasting slow and fast movements, soloist with an ensemble, and the use of dynamics. The art of performance was quite important to Baroque composers. Oftentimes, they wouldn't write out each note in their score, but would allow performers to improvise ornamentations. Composers like Johann Sebastian Bach, Antonio Vivaldi, and George Friedrich Handel wrote Baroque music. Their work is good at leaving us satisfied. Perhaps this is why many people enjoy listening to it. Interested in hearing more from the Baroque period? Tune to 90.9 WGUC on Sunday mornings between 8 and noon for Sunday Baroque with Suzanne Bona. What other music questions do you have? Ask me in the comments below or via WGUC's Facebook or Twitter pages, and maybe we'll feature your question next month.